Alright, today we are going to open a box of Transformers Optimum Collection trading cards. This was put out by Breygent, who I believe is either now defunct or no longer making cards, about 5 years ago. So, highlights the inserts on the back, autographs, comic panel cards, sketch cards, and film relic memorabilia. I'm probably most interested in the sketches, so you will, according to this, should get one in every box. Yeah, so we're gonna crack this open, see what's inside. Hopefully it's something good. There is a little yellow thing. There we go. I believe the base cards are the Transformers movie by Michael Bay. Not a huge fan of his, though I have enjoyed them all. I would love it if this was a set based off of the 1986, I think, animated movie, which was a great movie. So, without further ado, so you see some packs. More of the same. Hey, Bumblebee. Alright. Oh, yes, so it is. I'm assuming it's the first movie. It's been a little while since I've seen the first one. Oh, God. It's scary as hell. Yeah, it's definitely the first one. No, wait. She was not in the first one, so maybe it's the first few. I don't know. But still it's from the movie. Or movies. I don't think any of these are... I think this is all just base. I am no longer your teacher. Yeah. Ooh, that outfit. Move this a little bit closer this time. I don't know if I like it or not, but let's see. Oh, this feels something. Feels like something. Oh, that's cool. It's very shiny. So, so what is this? Is this a parallel or an insert? TF1. What was TF1? Is that anything? Foil puzzle cards? No. Foil cards, yeah. 18 G1 foil cards. So they're 1 in 4 packs. It's pretty cool. Yeah, I love Optimus. I mean, give me a whole box full of these things. I don't need stills from the Michael Bay movies. I mean, except for that still. We can keep that still. Give us that still, and then like 90 animated cards, and that one too. That smoldering look. Look at that. I've definitely gotten some of these like 3 times already, and how many base cards are there? Like 12. Congratulations. We have our sketch. This is so early. Okay, so there's a sketch. There's the back. Okay, that's the base. Alright, oh boy, here we go. Fernet. I can't read the name. Okay, that's pretty cool. Is that Jax? I don't know. Maybe. It looks like maybe Jax. I'm not sure. I'm not an expert. Maybe somebody else knows. I know that's his colors, I think, but it could be somebody else too. Pretty cool. Alright. The only problem now is I have to get through all these packs of Michael Bay base. Oh yeah, give me that shiny. Give me the shiny. He's not G1. What is that? Oh, this is the puzzle. Yes, this is a puzzle piece. Come on, like, does that even look like Shockwave? What is even going on there? It's just a massive mess of metal. I'll let you pause for that. Starscream, Sentinel Prime. Come on. There we go. Jetfire. I love the shinies. Look at that shine. Rainbow foil. Cool back too. Upside down, but we don't care. Oh yeah. Ooh, nice. We got Optimus and Megatron. Shiny version. Look what they did to RC. She looks nothing like, I mean, I guess there's a little pink, but I love the scene with RC and Ultra Magnus shutting down the fortress in the movie, the animated movie. Basically, I loved everything about that movie, especially the music. I mean, what is it? Stan Bush, I think. Oh, kids. Stan Bush is like the epitome of just that 80s. I don't even know what you call it. It's not power metal or like hair metal. It's just like it's just amazing. The touch and dare were the two. Oh, we have an autograph here of Mark Ryan, who was the voice of Jetfire. That's cool. I don't really remember him from the movies, but I'll have to take a look. So I think that's the two hits for the box, but we'll see. Oh, another puzzle piece. Starscream. That is cool looking. You can kind of see it. Alright. Ironhide? No, Bumblebee. Ironhide's red. What am I saying? Come on. Very nice. I like these ones. The new movie was pretty good too, with forget her name. The singer, was it? I don't even know. But it's a lot of fun to watch. Kind of like brought it down from the crazy galactic action scale of the Michael Bay movies to just like a little, what was it? Reminds me of Herbie the Love Bug, kind of like that. It's another puzzle. Sideswipe. Alright. Last three. Something's wrong there. Alright. Devastator. Oh man. I used to have the giant Devastator action figure, right? With the, I think it's 5 construction vehicles. Oh, that thing was so cool. Ravage. I remember him. Nice. Oh, that's right. He's one of the cassettes. Alright, so that is all she wrote. Let's just do a quick recap. We got a pile of Michael Bay base cards that have no purpose. We got these, let's see, well, let me separate them real quick. We got 3 of these puzzle cards. Well, puzzles are on the back, but it doesn't really make any sense without all of them. Looks like maybe Bumblebee, I'm not sure. And we got, I think, 6 of these G1s. Savage, Bumblebee, Skids, Megatron, Jetfire, and our favorite Optimus. And for the hits, we got a Jetfire autograph and a sketch of, I think, Jackson. I think that's his name. So that concludes our Transformers video. Hope you enjoyed. It's a fun little box, but yeah, wouldn't mind opening some more.